Hey y'all, I am super excited because this guy is gonna drop some major knowledge bombs for you in just a second. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I'm fangirling a little.
Are you? Yeah?
Just a little bit. It's okay. First, before we start anything, I want you to make sure you hit subscribe because having these guys on my channel, bringing you guys really good content every week is super important to me. And I want to make sure you guys don't miss anything, and especially like his muscles. I feel like we've talked about your muscles for the last 12 minutes.
I try. It's like a matter of this respect for other people to just drop a line about my muscular development wherever I can, you know.
Okay, well, if you want to see Owen and his muscles, there'll be a link in the description. But today, you are like the live streaming king.
Yeah.
Is that a good title?
Yeah. No one's ever called me that before, but I think today is the day of new beginnings.
You're welcome.
So yeah,
you're welcome.
Yeah, hashtag. You owe me
hashtag. You're welcome.
10% of all sales.
Totally.
From this point on.
Totally.
I didn't read the fine print.
Right. Exactly. Okay. So I want to know, Owen, if a business owner is like, you know what? I don't think I need live video. I don't think I need any video.
Right.
Can you tell them why they need live video in their business?
Yeah, there's no better medium today for reaching your targeted customers than video, and you can reach them with an immediate message. So live video is for the business owner that wants to have a regular broadcast appearance of their show, right? You want to regularly use live content. You're probably already into video. You probably like it a little bit, and that's the person I want to speak to. But there's this other person that wants to just get a message out. Maybe you have overstock of 17 products, and you want to move those products off the shelf. Well, you should know how live video works on Facebook so you can quickly go live, talk about your products, talk about your sale, talk about a trending event in the news, and you can do it quickly, right? You don't have time to find a videographer. You don't have time to go get the video on the lenses and do the editing. You just want to create a quick video, get it on the web, drive traffic to your product. That live streaming is for that person as well.
Yeah, no, I totally agree. So if you had to tell people exactly like a formula of like when they should go live, how often they should do it, where they should do it, all of that good stuff, where would you go with that?
Okay, so great question, and I get that a lot. I did a full video on that as well, so maybe we could put a link to that in the description box.
I don't do links.
I'll tell you. Okay, stop making fun of me. Okay, so here's the thing about that. It's best, I think, it's going to be majorly beneficial for your business and your brand if you're in a position to go live once per week on a regular basis. And they don't need to be these big fancy things. It's just like, hey, y'all, it's me. I'm checking in for my weekly update, right? Go live for 20 minutes, go live for an hour, and just talk, chat, as long as you need to. If you're overwhelmed by an hour, then 20 minutes. Just update them on what you're doing. That's one route. The other route is the once in a while streamer, right? This is where you're gonna sort of like go live when you need to. Like you see a process happening in your work. Maybe you're like a stamper or you do metallurgy and you're woodworking. You wanna show a process, right? Show that process on live video and then move on, right? You don't need to do it all the time, but you're sort of creating a presence. Maybe you keep yourself to twice a month, that sort of thing. You can do that as long as you know what your schedule is and you keep to it, right? Don't go live, every week for 3 weeks and then give up and go back to this other thing because you're never going to get any momentum that way.
Totally. So, okay, one last question.
Yeah.
How do people convert live video viewers to actual paying customers and subscribers and all of that good
Amazing
stuff?
question. So we just ran a case study. We launched it on my channel recently, so you can head over there and check that video out, where we used a tool called Switcher Studio. And Switcher Studio puts like an overlay on your live video. So, we put a coupon down there and it was like, hey, click on the link below if you want to get a fantastic deal on karate training. So what we did is we went live during the adult class and did all this black belt. So people are logging in.
You want to demonstrate for us?
Yeah, well, that's what that was. I actually am a black belt in made up zoo, so I make it up as I go. It's deadly, it's lethal,
okay.
actually.
All right, I'll take your word for it.
Never make fun of men shorter than you. So, but you're actually,
I'm
you're
not
actually,
shorter.
No, you're coming, you came down.
I have heels.
We had
I have
a
heels
whole
on.
conversation about that. So here we use that tool to put a coupon on top of the video. Then we filmed the black belt class to show people, wow, this is visually exciting. And we got 35 link clicks within that hour that video was live. So that, I think, is one way that you can link your live video to actual product sales. And that, I think, at the end of the day, is what's important.
Yeah. No, I totally agree. So if the people watching this want to find more about you, how do they do it?
Go to YouTube, search for Owen Video, subscribe to the channel, 2 videos a week on video and live streaming tactics that'll help you grow your business. Also, just go to Google, type in Owen Video. You'll find my Facebook. You'll probably find my LinkedIn and the other social networks where I engage.
And we just won't tell them that Video is not actually your last name.
No, Video is not actually my last name. You know, it was changed in 1919 when my family came over here into New York. Yeah, my great-grandfather, Owen Newspaper.
Jeez Louise. All right, I'll go with it.
Sorry, that was horrible. Yeah.
I'll go with it. So don't leave here without subscribing to my channel. But after you do that, go over to his channel, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.